1,000. Listen, TikTok just announced literally today they were dropping the requirements to get into the TikTok shop program. We are finally monetized in 2024. Yes, y'all. I'm not reselling the course. I'm not reselling the ebook. I want to create my own, whatever. I don't care. Listen, all I know is that you better figure out your lane in the content creation world, and you better get up in it. It is money go season, okay? Literally, I went from less than 500 followers and hours. Hey, boo, hey, it's your girl, Miss Mogul, and welcome back to the Crown Life Chronicles. First things first, I need you guys to go ahead and leave me some comments, okay? We ain't worried about the subscribing. I need you to leave me some comments, and I need you to watch this video through to its entirety, all right? But we are finally monetized in 2024. Yes, y'all, we have finally done it. Oh my God, like seriously, I've had this channel since 2016 and this has been long overdue. I said that this year was going to be the year. And you know, we say that every year, right? But I said it for this year and I meant that ish. We try not to cuss. I meant it, y'all. I meant it. All right, I'm just kidding, y'all. We're not monetized yet, right? But that energy that I just had, like that right there is the type of energy that you need to have when you want to manifest something heavy. Like you need to be so excited. It needs to have already happened in your head. Like you need to already be there in your mind. Let me see. So we're going to go. I'm going to check on my other phone and we are going to, ooh, I feel like I'm so close. Am I close? Hold on. Let me back the fuck up. Okay. I just had to look over there in the mirror. Let's go check. All right, let's go check on the other phone and see where we are. Because yesterday, by the time you guys are seeing this video, we're going to be monetized. Okay, we're going to be monetized by the time you guys see that video, this video. But yesterday when I looked, I had about 150 hours left to get monetized. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. Hold up. Where is, I cannot find the app. Where is my YouTube studio? All right, let's look. Let's look and see where we are. Remember, when you're looking, hold on, I gotta make sure I'm in frame. When you're looking on your analytics, you need to check the 365-day slot because every single day it changes. So if you have a video and you were up yesterday, but you didn't get any views this day, your view watch time will actually fluctuate. I don't think I'm explaining that right. Ignore me. But anyway, you want to make sure you click on 365 days. And what? Oh my God, y'all. These hours are moving so slow. So this is where we are. Can y'all see? Hold up. Can y'all see? That's where we are. 3,869.9 hours. Ooh. But we monetize, y'all. Forget that. No, we monetize. Bump all that. We monetize. But I had a couple of things I want to come on here and talk about. And this isn't even going to be a really long video, but let's just update. Like I said, that power manifestation boy is going to be strong. Literally, I went from less than 500 followers and hours to about to be monetized. It is May 16th. I posted my first video for this year, I think either the end of January or the beginning of February. If I remember to put the dates up here, I'm going to put it right here. We got space? Yeah, if I remember, I'm going to put it right here. But one video, that's all it takes. One video started the ball rolling, and then I just kept creating on top of that video. Not all of them did well. Some of them did okay. None of them did as well as the video that has gone viral. That's for sure. And that was my video on how my girlfriend got to $20,000 in her first month. Her first month of selling a digital product, aka a course. But anyway, the other thing that I want to talk about, when I say it is the time for, like, it is money go season, okay? If you are a content creator or you are thinking about creating content, you've been sitting on the fence, like, I promise this is the time to go. I know everybody's trying to say that everything is oversaturated. Everybody and their mama is selling digital products. You don't need to get into that. I'm not reselling the course. I'm not reselling the ebook. I want to create my own, whatever. I don't care. Listen, all I know is that you better figure out your lane in the content creation world and you better get up in it. You better get up in it. But TikTok just announced literally today, May 16th, this morning, Wait, was it even this morning? I feel like it was this morning, but it could have been yesterday. But they just announced that they were dropping the requirements to get into the TikTok Shop program from 5,000 followers on TikTok to 1,000. Ah! 1,000! Listen, you can get 1,000 followers on TikTok. You can get 1,000 followers on TikTok. I only have on my main page 1,600 followers on TikTok. That's it. And honestly, I have not been on my TikTok in months. I haven't been on my TikTok since probably like February, to be honest. Y'all, I'm obsessed with matcha. But I haven't been on my TikTok since like February. But baby, I have access to TikTok Shop. They should have never let me in the door. Anyway, they should have never let me in the door. Bro, can you tell how excited I am? Like, that is some great energy and vibes to wake up on. So we about to get monetized on YouTube. I'm about to monetize my TikTok. I've got my digital product business that I've been a little slacking on. I was trying a new thing with my marketing. So I think that's going well, what I'm doing with that. But now I need to flip it back into focusing on sales, because I've been focused on community a lot. I've been focused on building community. I need to flip it back into building my sales. And then, last but not least, what I tell y'all gonna be watching this video and be like, bro, what the fuck is wrong with her? But I'm trying. You need to get this type of fire up under you. Last but not least, my birthday was May 11th. It's May 16th, right? I officially launched. Yeah, I started a new business. I officially launched my virtual call center. I officially launched my virtual call center. Bro, TikTok Shop, YouTube monetization, digital products, virtual call center. Like, bro, unstoppable. And all of it can be done from my bed. All of it can be done in my house. I have to go nowhere. Sorry, let me not pretend that I can do it. I can't do the accent. Sorry. Anyway, but all of it can be done literally from in my bed. Like, oh my God. I am so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited. This, like I said, I really just wanted this video to be an update video. I want to batch a bunch of videos today, and I don't know how much storage I have on my phone. I literally just had to sit here for like 30 minutes and go through and delete content off of my phone, and there's still stuff I need to delete. So I don't want to make these videos too long, because I want to get as many done as I can. This video is going to go up for Sunday, which is going to be, let's see, 16, 17, 18, 19, the 19th, I think. The 19th. So we got 3 days. 3 days to hit that monetization goal. So we're going to see what the video is talking about next Sunday. Like, oh, y'all, I can't even think. I'm so excited. So let's just recap. Okay, let's just recap. TikTok now allows anybody with at least 1,000 followers that meet all the other eligibility requirements to be on TikTok Shop. TikTok going where? Like, them doing this, TikTok is going where? There's only one or two things. Either TikTok is not going anywhere, or they're trying to maximize their capital as much as they can before they have to go somewhere. Either way it goes, you better jump on the bandwagon and get to the money while it's there. Like, and it's crazy because when I posted this in a bunch of my groups, a bunch of my Facebook groups. Y'all, I own 5 different Facebook groups. I posted this in a bunch of my groups and groups that I'm in, and nobody else has been talking about this. Hopefully by the time you guys have seen this video, it's going to be like floating around out there in the air some more. But let me just say this. First off, if you are thinking of getting into the content creation world, you need to learn how to market on social media. Period. You need to learn. And you need to learn quickly. All right. We don't got time. I know everybody, YouTube University, TikTok University. Yes. Learn from those places, because it's definitely things that I've learned. But get you some ebooks. Get you a course or something like that. I offer 2. I offer 3, but I offer 2 courses that's specifically for, that is specifically for learning to market on social media. One of them is the Simply Passive and the other one is the Digital Collective. So Simply Passive, I say, is for step one, tier one, people that absolutely have zero clue where to start with social media and they want to learn quick. The videos are nice, sweet, to the point, not filled in with a whole bunch of filler and words and everything. Like, it's going to get you there immediately. Like, I went through the whole course in a day. The next one, the Digital Collective, is a bit more extensive. It is a good tier 1 to tier 2 or even tier 3, depending on Digital Collective. However, right now I'm running a sale for that, and we just released new bundles, new modules, new everything to go up in there, right? So there's 2 different options you can get. You can get just the course by itself with the modules that are already in there, or you can get the course with the bundle. There's 3 mini courses inside that can be sold separately or as an affiliate. So 2 of them can be sold completely separately outside of the bundle. So it's really 3 courses and one. The other one can't is sold for affiliate. So it's so many ways to make money with the Digital Collective. I love my faceless course for sure, and I definitely still recommend it. It's still actually my top selling course out of all of them. But the Digital Collective right now is that girl. I know everybody talks about UBC. I want to get UBC personally just because I want to learn from UBC. I want to see what's in there and see how it's really different from the Digital Collective. Just because I keep hearing so many great things about it. I'm just not in a rush to get it right now, especially because I don't really care about reselling it. Like, I'm happy with the ones that I offer to sell. But I do want to get it. So yeah. But all of that information can be found down in the description box. I feel like I'm getting a little trained. Like, I'm just so excited I can't formulate my words. But yeah, you need to get some type of education. You can book right now until the end of May a 30-minute consultation call with me for free. You just have to pay a $5 deposit that is refunded when we get on our call. This is just to secure your spot because people like to waste people's time, and I ain't about that life. All right, so you can also book that. I'll put a direct link in my description. That call is for people that want to get started, but they're not entirely sure which product they should choose. So please do not book a call with me if you're not prepared to invest financially in some way into yourself and your business. Do not book a call with me because you want me to walk you through. This is not a coaching session. I am not coaching you in this call step by step how to start a digital marketing business, how to sell digital products, or any of that stuff, because I have products that teach you how to do that. I don't offer a mentorship, a personal one-on-one mentorship at this time. So we are not using that 30-minute call for that. But if you have been looking and you're just you need a little more insight onto what course is what, even ones that I don't sell, you can book that 30-minute call. And again, I will leave that down below in the description box. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of editing to this video because I've just been all over the place. But let's talk about it in the comments. Are you on TikTok Shop already? Like, do you have your 1,000? If you don't have your 1,000 followers yet, drop some comments with your handle or your TikTok name down in the comments. Let somebody find you. Y'all go do what y'all do. I don't personally recommend follow for follow trains, so I don't recommend that you just go follow somebody just for the sake of following them, unless you are like, I need 200 more people to get to 1,000. And then by all means, get on the follow train. But if you're at 0, do not do a follow train. It is not going to serve you to have a bunch of people following you and to be following a bunch of accounts that are not related to whatever it is that you're going to be doing. It's actually going to really harm your algorithm. I cannot stress this enough for you. Do not just be doing willy-nilly follow trains. But again, if you would like, I just need a couple, 250, 100 followers to hit my 1,000, drop your stuff in the comments. Let somebody find y'all and y'all go help build each other up. All right. And that is it. I got to figure out what my next videos are because this one just like, I don't even know what else I want to talk about. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.